Welcome to Greek Verse a Day. Today we are translating the second part of Revelation 1:16 and the first part of Revelation 1:17. As always, I encourage you to work from your reader's edition. I'll be working from the screen to offer some grammatical and translation helps here. We'll start with a slow reading and a faster reading of the text, give you a chance to make sense of the text on your own, and then I'll jump in with my comments. So let's start with a nice slow reading. Kai he opsis autou, hos ha helios, phine in te duname autou, kai hati edon auton, epesa pros tous podos autou, hos nekros. Once more, a little bit faster. Kai he opsis autou, hos ha helios phine in te duname autou. Kai hati edon auton, epesa pros tous podos autou, hos nekros. All right, at this point, go ahead and pause, take a look at your reader's edition, and see what you can make of the text here. All right, remember John is in the middle of describing the one like a son of man. He has described his head area. He's described his feet area. He's described what's in his hand, what's coming out of his mouth. And now he's going to continue to describe his face, which is the word opsis right here, with autou immediately following it, the possessive personal pronoun. So his face, namely the son of man's face. Hos, a word that John really likes for description, meaning as or like ha helios phine. So ha helios is going to be a nominative masculine singular word, and it is the word for son. So the son, like the sun, phine. Here we have an indicative verb. Haven't seen one of those in quite a while in this long description of the one like a son of man, but we have a present active indicative, third person singular, from phino, which means to shine. So as the sun shining, or as the sun shines, so it's a present indicative happening in present time, in te duname autou. So a prepositional phrase, in te duname, in the power of it. Again, possessive personal pronoun here. More smooth translation is in its power. And then moving on to our next sentence, kai hati, so and then hati is when. Edon, another indicative verb. We're having a few indicative verbs here. We're going to have another one over here with epesa. And when I saw, so this is edon is a second aorist active indicative first person singular. That's where we get the I from horao, which means I see. So I saw, and then the object of the seeing in the accusative case is the personal pronoun auton. When I saw him, namely the one like a son of man, epesa, this is a same parsing information here, except our lexical form is going to be different. It's going to be pipto. So this is also a second aorist. Remember, the difference between first aorist and second aorist is a second aorist is what is called a strong verb. It changes its form to a different form altogether in the past tense. So that's what's happened here. Pipto goes to epesa, and we still actually see that sigma alpha there, which is also a clue to the aorist for us. And then edon from horao changes its form completely. It doesn't look anything like horao. And when I saw him, I fell. Pipto means I fall. So in the past tense, I fell. Pros tous podos autou. So this is going to be the area to which. Pros means to or towards. It takes the accusative following it. So that's what we have here in the plural. Towards his feet. Again, possessive personal pronoun here. Hos nekros, as dead, or as a dead body, or as a corpse. So to put it all together, and his face is like or as the sun shines in its power. And when I saw him, I fell to his feet as dead.